POD だそうです。皆さん関心を。Good morning. Good morning. Oh, there you go. Good job.
Hi, sports fans! Beanmeister22 here! Check it out! Parrots! Y'all love parrots, right? That's right. We love parrots. I love parrots. We are here at the Hilton Hawaiian Village in Honolulu, Hawaii, at the gateway of Waikiki Beach, on the beautiful island of Oahu. And you know, a lot of people just don't really think Oahu as being a cool island. I love Oahu because you got Honolulu, you got the cool beaches, you got this big city. It's an amazing combination. These days, everybody wants to go to Maui. Well, Maui's okay, I've been there, but it's not Honolulu, it's not Oahu. And you have the best of both worlds, the best of all worlds here on Oahu. Big island's okay, but really you need the big city of Honolulu to say, we're in Hawaii, aloha! So once again, we are here at the Hilton Hawaiian Village, walking around the grounds, and they have the parrots. They'll put the parrots out sometime in the morning, and they won't be out all day. I guess it depends how hot it is, because when you're here in June, they're not out as long, and in February of last year, they were out all day. And the parrots just sit out there on their perches, and they're eating stuff, and they're having a great time. They're tropical parrots. It's a tropical island. It's a great resort right in the heart of the city. But if you guys don't know anything about parrots, you don't want to get too close to these things. Look at the size of those beaks. That beak will just tear your nose off, tear your face off, and look at them claws. Parrots are big. And you can see how they transport them here in them little cage things because they don't want to be too many birds get close to each other, get agitated, they'd fight, and then people, but they get out, they're having a good time. You just don't want to crowd them because they'll start getting a little ornery. And these parrots sitting there on the perch as you're walking through the resort is just one more little bit of amazing attention to detail. Here we are in a resort within the city limits of Honolulu, and it's a tropical paradise. Well, Hawaii is in general, but this is. You have penguins, you have parrots. That's right, penguins. You have koi, you have fish. There's, amazing. And one of the things I like to do, and I'll go get my morning coffee, I'll go to Starbucks, and I'll go take a walk on the beach, and I'll try to get here when they're putting the parrots out, because I've seen this a bunch of times. It's the first time I filmed, and it's really neat how they do it. We have plenty of video of the parrots throughout the day, but this is just cool when they're putting them out. Alright, so, parrots, yeah, you know it. Okay, so this is Beanmeister22, live from Hawaii, and hopefully we'll get done with the stuff we gotta do, and we'll be home soon. Leave your comments in the comment section, and hey, as always, thanks for watching.
I'll just go. Thank you.
Any little devil. Very nice.
Beanmeister22, the most dangerous man on YouTube.